Hello, this is switch number 5, I want to say. It's got a bit of melting there. Screws are all intact, but just about hanging in there by the looks of it. No game, no SD card. Wrong way round, I said it, but yeah. And I haven't attempted to plug in the charge port in this one because you could see the port is completely mangled. It's gone home. I don't know where it probably didn't even make it home. So I don't know exactly how that happened, but hopefully it's just a simple USB port replacement. Let's get into it. So the battery's still in there. Let's disconnect that. Probably flat. Let me quickly measure it. Because if it is flat, I'm going to put my own battery in there, just see if it starts. Yeah, it's depleted. It's got zero volts. There's not even 1 millivolt in there. So just to see if it is just a charge port issue. Again, M92 could be blown. Let's see if it turns on. Just pressed it. Yep, looks like it's just a charge port issue. Happy days. Nice easy repair this one. It's gonna be. Unless there's any rip pads. Beautiful. See what firmware it's running quick. 18.0.1. We are on 19 now, so that's two updates behind. Dan the man's switch. Okay, cool. Brilliant. Let's get this charger port swapped out then. Hmm. Okay, I've just noticed something. So if we look under the microscope, look at that. What do you see? What do you guys see that's wrong? There's no solder in these ground holes. Look at that. Hopefully we don't have any rip pads because of that. It has been swapped out before. Hmm. So let's just get this charge port off then and see if there is any damaged pads. Temperature is going to be 440, airflow 8 of 8. Well, luckily, it looks like we don't have any ripped pads. That's good. Yeah, we're good. Just add some leaded solder to this. Oh, that should do it. I've had better check that fuse as well to make sure that didn't blow. Be great if it did, done its job, but and we want to see 0 ohms. Yeah, it's fine. The fuse is fine. Okay, let's go get a charge port, a new one for a switch. And let's tin up these pins ready. Don't have to do this, but I like to. Gives it a better chance to bond. Nicely tinned port. Oh, okay. So I know why it's not sitting down properly. There's this plastic here. It's preventing it from sitting down flush. So I should have noticed that first. Right, that's looking a lot better now, isn't it? That looks proper solid. Yep, 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 yep.
They're all solid.
And the back. Okay, yeah, the back don't look too bad. Give it a little brush. Tiniest little bit of melting, but that's to be expected. Inside the port, does it look okay? Bit of, yeah, looks good. Okay, now let's try and see if it works with the ammeter. I know it will, there's no need for it not to. Yep, it reads red fine that side. Now the other side. Yep, reads that side as well. So we're all good there. Gonna put it fully back together, and then we'll call that one fixed. Okay, now that's almost fully back together. I didn't even bother putting the screws in at the top and bottom because they're just going to fall out and they're going to be hard for the next person to take them apart. Plug in the charger. Oh, there you go. Booting up straight away, look. Oh, no, it's not. It's flat. So we'll come back once it's powered up. Okay, so it is started up now. So, yeah. Any online games? Nah, they're all physical games. So, so I thought everything was done. I thought I better check it all off camera, and there's still another issue. Very strange one I've not had before. I haven't checked the Joy-Con rails yet or anything. So I put game card reader in. Okay, all good, all working. It's not recognized it yet. Oh, now it's shut off. I didn't do that before. Wow, that actually caused it to shut off. This is acting so strange. Is it dead? Did it just die? Wow, I think it has. No, the backlight's still on, but it's just freezing it. It's crashing it as soon as I put a game in it. Last time it just froze, but that time it actually crashed. So I'm gonna swap out the card reader and see if that is the issue. It's not flat, it's still like 10%. Oh, 7% now. That was 11% a minute ago. That's a bit weird. And it's in. It's working, it's working, it's working, it's working. And it's froze. There you go. See? It freezes it. That is so strange. Will it unfreeze if I take it out? No. So it has frozen the system. Very interesting. Let me try a different game card reader first, see if that's the issue. I didn't even look at the pins, see if the pins are okay in there actually. Let's have a look. Um, it looks fine to me, I think, unless there's supposed to be more at the back there. If it still crashes, what could that be? Right, let's give it a go. Damn, it's not the game card reader. It's crashed again. What? Now this is interesting. Now I'm going to learn something different if I manage to repair it, if we ever come across this issue again. Let's go under the microscope. And there's M92. Let's measure around it. I've got it in continuity, so if it beeps both sides, we know that's fine. That's the CPU cap. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's fine. They're all fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yep, that's fine. They're all fine. So it's probably not an M92. Let's look at the actual game card. That's not liquid damage there, is it? Has it had previous liquid damage then? Does anything look suspicious down here? That's fine. They're, they're fine. Or is it? Yeah. So where did this game card reader go into? Let's have a look on the other side, make sure there's nothing dodgy on the other side. There's a bit, looks like liquid damage. The diode's still there. A max IC. That's the audio chip, P13 USB. Could that cause anything? Nah, that's just related to output in TV. That's ground. That's fine. That's in the kilo ohms. Yeah, let's just change M92, not M19. M92. I know this is the guessing game, but that is a power management IC. Let's check my work, see if it's all soldered on okay and no bridges. Yeah, that looks spot on to me. Beautiful. That side, yep, looks good. This side, beautiful. And the last side, lovely. So if this works again, then we know M92 could be the cause of system crashes when inserting a game. Okay, will it read a game or will it crash? Damn it, it crashed instantly that time. Speaker fell out. I'm going to use a thermal cam for this, I think. And if we look at it now, okay, well, BQ's hot. Ow, that's extremely hot. Jesus, that is extremely hot. I think that's normal. Ah, that's ridiculously hot. And that coil is a bit hot at this end somewhere. What's on the other side? Yeah, that's hot. What's underneath there? Hang on, got a donor here. Oh, it's the max IC. It could be a bad max IC. That is hot. And that's on the other side. So I need a spare battery. What do I do with it? What do I do with it? Okay, let's get the thermal cam ready. Just to initiate it, let's get it to start up. Okay, so we'll start it up. Let's have a look under the thermal cam, see what it's doing now. See, that's the max I see already. It's not hot though. Sorry, it's flickering. I don't know why it does that on my PC. It doesn't do it on my phone. But that's not really hot at all. It feels absolutely normal. Plug in the game. And look how hot that's getting. Yeah, that's getting hot. Is there a specific heat spot there? There is on the right of it, isn't there? Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to swap out the max IC. Because this chip is getting quite hot, I thought I'd test with my multimeter just around the caps. And this is what I found. I go into ohms because you can't hear the beep. But on this little tiny cap here, look at that. Dead short to ground. And on the other side of that cap, again, dead short to ground. And it's not supposed to be ground on both sides. Go under the microscope and if you can see which cap I'm prodding. So could probably get a bit closer than that. But this one here, that's ground there and ground on the other side. The rest are fine. The rest are reading really high. But just this one little cap, which makes sense because on the thermal cam it was getting quite hot in this area, wasn't it? So it's kind of attached to here. So we're gonna have to change this max IC. I've got to read which one it is. 77620H. I think I've got a spare one of them already reballed. What one's this? Can't see which one that is. Yeah, that looks it. That looks like one. And that is a 77620H. Beautiful. Now let's go see if the short is gone. We're in ohms. Please say it's gone. Yep, there you go. Brilliant. We're in the meg ohms now. Killing ohms. The board is still hot, so there you go. Beautiful. We're all plugged in. Just the battery. Okay. Right, is it going to read a game? Three, two, one. Are you kidding me? O- Okay, okay. That could just be a little glitch. Try again. There you go. Done it. We can now read games. So the max IC can cause system freeze when inserting a game. Look at that. It's all working. Brilliant. Right, I can finally put this back together, give it a wipe down, and see what the condition is in overall. I ain't gonna bore you, be putting it back together, so I'm gonna do the old click of the fingers and it'll all be back. Ready? There you go. It's all been put back together. I haven't put the screws on the top or bottom because they're not gonna stay in, they're broken. So let's give it a go. Give it a quick clean. Yeah, you can see the game card works. Speaker sounds a bit funny in it. Joy-Con connects and brilliant. Don't know if I checked the internet on it. Oh, I haven't connected to. What is that Obi-Wan Kenobi again? And Wu-Tang. What is all that? And yeah, it's all working now. It needs yeah, it needs a system update, but I think the Joy-Cons work wirelessly. Yes, they do. So yeah, that's another one done.